Go carpet cleaning in Lilburn, Georgia. Testimonials. There's nothing like strolling barefoot on clean, fresh-smelling carpeting, and Go Carpet Cleaning can help you get there. Our expert group of carpet cleaners will offer your carpets the deep cleaning they ought to have. We use environment-friendly items that are safe for family pets and kids, so you do not have to worry about anything toxic getting left in your house. We're able to successfully cleanse even the most stubborn dirt and grime. You'll see what's really the best carpet cleaning available in Lilburn and the surrounding area. We are proud of the reviews our clients have given us.
Oh my gosh, I could not be more happy with Gal. Absolutely worth every penny and then some. He totally saved me when I needed an emergency cleanup. We were fostering a dog, and let's just say that it was like a hazmat zone in one of our rooms. Other places couldn't get out here for at least a few days, but Gal was able to make it within a few hours. He assessed the situation, and was confident he could not only handle the disaster, but get the carpet back to better than new. Now, let me tell you, I was skeptical, but we agreed on a reasonable price, and he went to work. About halfway through the job, I assume, I went to take a look and wow! Not only was everything cleaned up, I realized the carpet was a different color. I thought he was done, but the perfectionist in him wouldn't let the tiniest bit go. Thank you so much, Gal.
Very nice person. We'll definitely use again, and we'll refer family and friends. Good work. Thanks, Gal.
We do more than carpet cleaning. We also supply a large range of upholstery cleaning services for your home or office. Whether you need something quick and simple, or a more extensive professional service, we have the perfect solution to fit your particular requirements. Let's learn more about Lilburn. Lilburn is located in Gwinnett County, Georgia, United States. It is a developed city that is also part of the Atlanta metropolitan area. There are many recreational activities available for the residents and visitors. The city has about 150 acres of developed parks. Lilburn City Park and Camp Creek Greenway offer a green space where residents can enjoy nature. The Bryson Park and Lions Club Park are the best athletic complexes operated by the local government. At Go Carpet Cleaning, we offer free consultations and competitive rates for Lilburn residents and those in the surrounding areas. Call us at 678-818-5698 or visit our website www.gocarpetcleaning.atlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Lilburn-GA.